Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Big spec, low mileage, cam belt replaced VW Tiguan 2 litre TDI. So this is a BlueMotion tech. It's an SE, it's all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, it's DSG, automatic, so 2 litre diesel auto, metallic black. Only done 49,000 miles by two owners. Cam belt replaced once at 18,000 miles, and this car has got about 11 service stamps. Drives like a brand new car, is well spec'd, and is in lovely condition. I really like it. So automatic, metallic black, black leather, heated seats, electric driver's seats, panoramic sunroofs, front half opens and slides, has got the interior electronic sunshade to close off the panoramic roofs if you want. Right, this car's got a reverse camera, factory fitted by VW. Front park sensors, rear park sensors, privacy glass, space saver spare wheel. What have I noticed? Load covers in there. Lovely tyres, all matching with lots of tread. Alloy wheels, mint. Brakes, all look lovely. Got stone chipped front fog lamps, front park sensors, remember rear park sensors, and a reverse camera. Black leather. This car's got cruise control, which was an optional extra. I think we've got the fitted mats as well at work. Here's your panoramic roofs. I've got it tilted at the moment to let a bit of air through. Leather multifunction steering wheel. As I say, cruise control, Bluetooth, self-parking assistant, climate control, heated seats, you name it, it's got it. Picnic tables in the back. Lovely leather seats. Electric front and rear windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, rear park sensors, four-wheel drive, 49,000 miles. I think it's 11 services. I have listed all the services, all the mileages in the description for the advert with the specification for the vehicle. Space saver spare wheel, load covers in there, jack, wheel brace, toolkit, wheel locking key, all present and correct. Can't see any dents or scratches, one or two tiny marks, but a lovely example. Can't believe how clean the alloy wheels are. Paintwork's very nice, shiny, not scratched or tatty or car washed. I mean, we have properly prepared the paintwork, but it was in lovely condition when it came in. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric driver's seat, leather on the driver's seat is not worn or tatty, automatic headlamps, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, 49,968 miles, Bluetooth, climate control and air conditioning, heated seats, electric handbrake, hill hold assist, remember self-parking assistant, so this car will park itself. All that for £9,995, registered the latter part of 2012 on a 62 plate, two owners from new. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website, probably got more than one Tiguan in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.